Hey guys, update. Didn't make a video last week because I was too busy. I flew my helicopter yesterday. There was like no wind. That was really cool. So this is what I got over the week. I haven't done much Nerf stuff lately, so here's a little thing that I got. Oh, fail. Darn fridge. It's just a foam plane, but it comes apart like that easily. So I can just reassemble it on the camera. So just up there, the wing in, and it's back together. So there's that. That's about it. Nothing new with Nerf. This is just a new video. Tell you guys. I did not quit. Just took some time off. So, yeah. Comment below. See you.